'Tis the season for travel. Here's how I pack for crafting on the go. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I want to talk about planning and crafting on the go. It is summertime. A lot of us have a lot of different activities, whether you're going to the pool, going on picnics, going on full-on vacations. Sometimes you want to take your hobbies with you. There's some different thoughts on this. Do you want to take your planner? Do you not want to take your planner? Do you want to take some projects? Do you not want to take some projects? Wherever you fall on that, it can be really helpful to try to figure out what you want to take with you when you are on the go, on vacation, packing to travel. So that is what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share with you the things that I take with me generally on the go and the things that I'm going to add in for traveling this summer. All right, if you want to see what I'm packing for vacation, let's go. All right, so let's start out with what I'm packing things in for vacation. I like to have a separate bag for craft supplies. I know that sounds crazy. It depends on where you're going and what you're doing. My family is doing a cruise this summer, and I will be bringing some craft supplies with me because that is something that I like to do to unwind. It's something I very much enjoy. Am I going to be crafting and planning all day, every day? No, but I do know that I will be wanting to check in with my planner. That will be something that will be helpful to me, be relaxing to me, and be enjoyable for me. So this is what I'm planning on doing. This is my on-the-go bag that I'm currently using. It has a scarf on it from Go Wild. This is a canvas tote bag. This is actually from Stationery Pal. I have been using it for a few months now as I've been going in between kids' activities. So this is the bag that I throw things in and take with me to soccer practice and baseball games and to sit in my car and do all the things on the go. This bag has been really helpful. I find it's a really good size. I'll definitely link Stationery Pal down below. I liked this. I originally bought this thinking I would probably cover it in patches. I have not done that yet. It's still a possibility. I like the canvas feel. I like that it's like smaller than a backpack, but bigger than a purse, somewhere in between. And it fits what I need really well. I just added my little scarf on here for Go Wild, just because I thought it was cute. So this is what I will be bringing. What I like about this is I can easily toss this into a larger bag, throw it in my suitcase. This won't be stuffed to the brim. I would never recommend bringing your whole craft room along with you unless you are intentionally going for a crafting vacation. You're going to a crop, you're going to hang out with friends, whatever the case may be. But bring a few of your favorite supplies because you never know when inspiration might strike. So I will be packing in this bag. It has a zipper at the top. It's pretty open in the inside. It's got a couple open pockets in here, one zipper pocket on the inside, which is very helpful. Then on the two sides right here, we have some Velcro pockets. It's just nice to be able to organize all the different things. A non-Velcro pocket right here. This one even has some extra whiteout in it. And then I use this pocket in the front as well. Zipper, pretty open, pretty roomy in there. So this bag has worked out really well for me, and it's definitely what I'll be bringing on the go with me. Plus, if it gets dirty, I can wash it. It's been a good on the go bag for me, and I've really enjoyed it so far. All right, so what else will I be bringing with me? Well, you guys, I'm gonna bring my planner with me. I know some of you are like, that's crazy. Planning is for everyday life, for work life. For me, I love my planner. I have several different parts of my planner that I'm going to want to interact with on a regular basis, including my journal. So I do like to journal even when I'm on the go. I will most likely decorate in advance. That is one of the keys to bringing my planner with me when I'm on vacation is I decorate all my spreads. Anything I'm wanting to work on, I decorate in advance. I also decorate for the week that I'm coming back. just so that I don't feel overwhelmed. I like having it. I love having my planner on the way home from a vacation so I can start to wrap my head around what is coming up. But this is really important for me to have with me. So I will be tracking fitness goals still. I'll still be tracking weather. I'll be doing journaling. Will I be looking at all my weeks, week in and week out? I don't know, but I think there are great places to jot down some memory ideas, some things that are going on, just to keep track of what's happening. So what I will be doing is decorating things in advance so that they are ready to go. And then I will just need to be journaling. So this will definitely be going with me. I love taking my planner with me, you guys. Let me know down below. Am I crazy? Am I absolutely crazy that I'm going to be bringing my planner? I don't think I will be. I don't bring my work planner. So that's one of the pluses of having my work planner and my catch-all planner separate. I will bring my catch-all planner. It has lots of happy things in here. My work planner has happy things too, but it definitely makes you feel like you're at work. So that is going to stay home. This one is coming with me. Planner will definitely be making its way along the trip. So something else along those lines, I have been enjoying memory planning in a different way. This is my memory planning insert, and I've already used a few pages out of this insert. What it is it's a lot of different pages that are loosely formatted, ready for memory keeping. And these are really fun to work on in small batches especially. And so I have really enjoyed journaling and memory keeping while I'm on the go. I collect things like movie tickets and napkins and business cards and receipts, and I bring them along and I adhere them in here, and I start my memory journaling, my memory keeping while I'm actually on vacation. I jot down notes. And so I think bringing along a memory planner insert is fantastic and a wonderful idea. What I will most likely be doing right now, my planner is extra packed because I'm at the end of one month and beginning of the other month. Once I empty out the previous month, I will probably add in memory planning inserts in the back instead of the notes section. So I will take out notes, take out all of these things, save them for when I get back, and then I will add in memory planning inserts so that I can do some memory keeping on the go. So love this. I also have this in a smaller size, the tall size, which is equivalent to a mini happy planner. It's fun to take just a small little notebook with you. And then the bigger size in the venti size if you want to do full on memory keeping spreads when you get back. So this will be making its way. It will be within the notebook, but it's definitely going to come with us. And along those lines, I do like to bring a few stickers / supplies to do that memory keeping with. So I love Choose Your Adventure. This is from the Happy Planner. It's a fabulous one for memory keeping. I like the aesthetic of this, very neutral, which is going to work out no matter what I end up picking up and wanting to document on the way. So I have that sticker book. And then I also picked up the Happy Memory Keeping. This is an older one from the Happy Planner that I had a couple copies of. This is fabulous to bring with you as well. It's just going to be a few things here and there, a few pages, a few notes, things like that. I just love having the stickers with me. I don't feel like I need to do full on elaborate memory keeping on the go, but I love having the stickers to document and to journal with. Now, you might be thinking memory keeping usually involves photos. I do have a small photo printer. If I'm being completely honest, it's a little bit missing in action at the moment. It is an HP Sprocket and I love it. So I'm going to be finding it. But another solution is if you know you don't really want to print photos on the go, it can be a little bit of a hassle. Bring yourself a set of Post-it notes. Then when you are memory keeping or when you're documenting in your planner, you just take your Post-it note, you stick it down and you say, this is our picture at Space Needle. And then I know that the rest of this page, I'm journaling and decorating, and I know that I want a picture of my family at the Space Needle right there. So that might be how you end up documenting. You know the pictures you have on your phone. You can add them to your favorites in the evening as you're scrolling, remembering the day, and use your Post-it note to say what picture you wanted where. So that's pretty important. Those are things, those are pieces that are coming as part of like my memory keeping journey while I'm traveling, and it's not a lot to keep up with. It's not the worst if it gets lost, because here's the other thing: when you're traveling, you have to consider, what if I lose said supply? Will I be crushed? This isn't the absolute worst, so it's going to be good to take with me on the go. Here it is. Here's my little printer. I knew I would find it, you guys. This is my HP printer. I love it. Is it the best picture quality that you will ever get? No. Is it nice and convenient? Yes. It comes, you get these little photo packets. This is 10 photos in here. These are printed on sticky paper. So you just peel it off. The photo is already a sticker. You're able to very easily add it into what you're working on, what you're creating. This charges separately. So I have my little charger here. These are so fun. This is my HP Sprocket. I actually took this to Italy when my husband and I went, and I documented in a traveler's notebook the whole time. Loved it. Had a fabulous time sitting out at cafes. Again, it is something that I really enjoy. So in downtime, in vacation time, that is something I want to bring along with me and have fun with. So I will definitely be bringing my tiny little printer, because I think it is adorable and cute. And come on, that's so fun to document on the go. So that will be coming with me as well. All right, let's talk about some more practical things. So this is another pencil bag. This is actually also from Stationery Pal. I have a lot of pouches and things from Stationery Pal. This is one that I bring with me on a regular basis. So this definitely makes its way to the soccer games, to the baseball games, and I use it all the time. So here are some of the things that I keep with me. I always have whiteout strips. I find these really important and really useful. You can see I have a lot of extra just hanging around here. So whiteout always, always, always comes with me for sure. I will definitely be bringing some adhesive, because like I said, I end up saving receipts and things like that I want to adhere down. Tombow permanent adhesive, I also bring an extra refill. So adhesive plus refill. And then if you run out of all that, well, that's a sign that maybe you should stop crafting. Maybe you've been gone too long. So I usually bring one full one and then a refill, and I'm ready to go. So I toss those in right there. Pens and pencils and all the things. It can be overwhelming. If you're like me, you have lots of pens and pencils. You like to bring all the things. I do like to bring markers. I always like to bring versatile markers. So the ones that I am bringing, look at all these pens, you guys. I did not know all of those were there. The ones I'm bringing are the Pentel brush sign pen twin. So I like being able to letter and journal in different colors. So a double-sided pen is pretty important to me, something that I can brush letter with and something that I can just write in a particular color with. So these are fabulous. There's all different kinds. There's the Tombow ones. Those are a little bit bigger. This is a pretty good array of colors. It's not every color in the world, but it's fun. And these also double really well for my kids to be able to draw on the go. So as a mom, sometimes you get stuck in the airport. Sometimes I'm going to have to let them draw in my planner on some of the extra pages, and I'm going to need some markers that they can play with, that I'm comfortable with them using, and these would be it. So those are always with me, and I bring those along on the go for typical days as well. So those will drop right in here. I will always bring several pens, because you never know when you're going to lose a pen. So these are my favorite one. The Zebra Sarasa Mark-On pens are my go-to. I will have several of those for sure. I tend to put my pens in a different pouch so I can easily find them. So this is my pen pouch. This is from Erin Condren that we got at Go Wild one time. This is my regular lettering pen, my favorite one from Tombow. That will be coming. And of course, a couple of pencils along the way. So those are like my standard ones that I reach for all the time. These are more marker-esque. Those are coming as well. All right. I do like to bring little scissors. If you're flying, you want to be careful. You probably want to pack these instead of go through security. These are technically small enough that they should be okay for security, but I never want to risk it because you don't want to be left without scissors. So I will be bringing these, probably pop them right here in the front with my other extra tools ready to go. The other thing that will definitely be coming with me are tweezers, which I seem to, there they are, tweezers. I don't want to, those help me pick up the different stickers. I kind of feel like I can't function without tweezers these days. So those will be coming as well. And again, if you're worried about getting caught in security, you definitely want to add those to your packed luggage. So we got those ready to go, got pencil. Washi tape's the other thing I bring with me. What kind of washi tape do I bring? Well, I love grid washi. I know it's my go-to. This is a great array of colors. This is great for multiple reasons. First of all, if I run out of adhesive, this is a great way to adhere things down to my page until it can be a little bit more permanent once I get home. Love these for embellishment. Love these for journaling. They just come in really handy. Having them on a ring like this is just a 4-inch binder ring. I use these all the time to travel on the go. This is great because you can just pick out the ones you want. Maybe you're working on a certain project. Maybe you're working through a particular devotional. Whatever the case may be, you might want specific washi. Here is my biggest recommendation on the go. You can see I'm trying to stay within the same color realm. I'm not getting crazy. You don't see a bunch of like hot pinks and purples plus neutrals plus everything I bring is meant to kind of go together. That way it's all serving multiple purposes. If you're working on multiple projects at one time, try to narrow it down to ones that the supplies can overlap. You don't want to be overwhelmed, and you also want to be open to picking up some things while you're out, while you're traveling. You might pass by a sweet stationery store that you want to stop at and buy a few things. Try to keep them all in the same color family, in the same realm, and that will kind of ease up on the amount of product you need to be bringing with you. Another question that I get all of the time is when I'm planning, what do I do with my faith planner? My big faith planner, my small faith planner. I work with those each and every day. What I will do is take pages out of those planners and pop them into my regular planner. So there is a chance that this might go onto expander discs as I pack and get ready for upcoming trips. But like I said, it's kind of at its max right now because it has multiple months, and normally I don't have multiple months at a time. So I think it'll be fine on the regular disc, but I'll pop out the pages that I'm working on in my faith planner, put them in here. Again, I will decorate in advance. I'll bring the devotional, the illustrated faith devotional that I plan on working on this summer. That will come with me. Everything will be decorated, ready for me to just focus on my quiet time while I'm on the go. All right, that is pretty much it. I have found the simpler, the better, the basic tools. That's what you need. This all fits really easily in this little pouch. I have my pencil bag right here. I will open this up and pop in my smaller pencil pouch. That will fit right in here, and probably washi tape. Beautiful, works out great. I can add in, Post-it notes. Let's pop those in here. There's some little pockets that I can include Post-it notes in. Those always come in handy. These I can drop right in the back. And then, of course, my little printer, which I'm super glad that I came across. All right, so it's all in here, all ready to go. It's not too much. It doesn't feel like a lot. It's pretty easy to take with me on the go on a regular basis. Easy to grab and take to the pool. Easy to grab and be a carry-on on the airplane, whatever the case may be. I love to pack some of these goodies with me. I don't bring my whole craft room on the go, but I do bring some of the supplies that allow me to kind of keep in touch with my creativity and my hobbies while I'm traveling. All right, so now it's your turn. What do you bring when you travel? What is your go-to? What are your go-to supplies? How do you pack it? How do you travel? Let us know down below, because I know everyone is really interested in this topic because I've had a ton of questions, and I like to hear what other people like to bring with you. What are your favorite on-the-go crafting hobbies? If it's not planning and memory keeping, what do you like to do when you're sitting on the beach enjoying a good time? Let me know down in the comments below, and see if anyone else down there agrees with what you like to bring with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I will link the supplies that I used down here in the description box. I will try to link Stationery Pal, where I got my pouches, the HP Sprocket printer, all of these goodies that I like to bring on the go. You can find those links down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.